Another type of coronavirus, MERS, which has done well in clinical trials. They've also developed vaccines against plague, malaria. Now, if they don't get early, quick results in the UK, they're considering a trial in Kenya where the epidemic of coronavirus may well be on the rise. Now, this vaccine is known to produce a strong antibody response, but that doesn't necessarily equate to protection. And we're going to need many vaccines. There are dozens in development. So then we'll need billions of doses and expect a huge debate over which countries and which groups of people get the vaccine first.
Fergus Walsh, thank you.
We have a very robust structure here under the Pharmacy and Poisons Board that is responsible for regulating and reviewing clinical trials. So at this point, we do not have any information on this. And if this request does come to us, it will be subjected to the appropriate scrutiny before government responds to it. There are proper laid down procedures for engagement of this nature. Equally, there are proper laid down procedures, rigorous procedures of review, ethical review, and approvals of any clinical trials whatsoever.